Seat conversion for Tesla Model Y3. Simple interior before installation. Sporty look after installation. Ultra sport seat design for greater wraparound comfort. 8 colors to choose from to match your heart. More than 120 ambient light colors can be adjusted by cell phone apps. Section of the front seats to add ventilation with perforated leather, summer driving more comfortable. Body sensitive cotton on both sides of the backrest for soft support. Rear seat extension design. No broken wires and non-destructive installation do not affect the airbag ejection. Color blocking silhouette roll. Knitting a superb poke alignment.